Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to remove the buildup that gets on these electric stoves. If you see that right there. All you need is this scouring stick, and it looks like this. And I'll show you how to get that to come off. So you always want to be a little bit careful to make sure that you're not going to cause any major scratches or anything like that, but this is specifically designed for doing something like this. And so I always just kind of go a little bit slow at first and just kind of make sure that it's going to look okay and not cause any scratches. Okay, so you can see that looks good. So then we'll go ahead and go. We can go a little bit faster now. And we're going to see if that is starting to come up. Okay. All right, let's find out, see how that looks. Okay, look at that, tons better. So it's a great little trick to really make sure and to get all of that buildup off of these electric stoves. I think a lot of times people think that that's just there and it's not going to go away, but this takes care of it super fast. All right, and just to kind of see the finished product here, you can see what a difference that has made compared to this one, for example.